Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to restore the Windows 11 right-click menu to the classic Windows 10 style. First, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, type Regedit, and click OK to launch Registry Editor. Before making any registry changes, it's strongly recommended to create a backup. Navigate to the target registry path. Click File menu and select Export. Choose a save location and name to complete the backup. You can double-click it to restore registry. Navigate to the corresponding path. Create new keys. Create a new key displayed on the screen. Under this key, create a subkey, inproc server 32. Double-click the default value in inproc server 32. Ensure the value data is empty. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer, right-click and select Restart. Done. Your right-click menu is now restored to the classic Windows 10 style. If you want to revert to the Windows 11 style in the future, simply delete the registry keys we just created. If you find the above method too cumbersome, you can try the following methods. Copy and paste the command displayed on the screen. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer and restart it. The context menu style has now been changed. If you want to restore the original Windows 11 context menu style, copy and paste the command shown on the screen to delete the related registry key. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.